Yeah.
Man, this ain't been sitting for a minute.
They ain't coming out. They ain't coming out, folks. They ain't coming out.
It didn't break. Makes pee-pee wads.
Beat the shit out of that happy.
Put it in that hole first.
There you go.
They don't want to go in the other fucking hole.
Yes, it will. I can watch it. It's so close. It's so close. Hey, where'd the light go?
How the fucking hole? This one's going home.
That. Oh.
You got that bolted?
Ow, fuck.
That smells awesome.
Mm-hmm.
So you're gonna like paint those tires black?
No, I'm putting tires on them tomorrow.
Okay.
Doing a tang with a tang. Doing a tang with the tang. Doing a tang with the tang.
Hammer.
You know, when you put me together a little warm.
Quick bird dog moment. Well, she look minty fresh with the Max PP wads.
Grab it on the other end. Grab it on the other end. Grab it on the other. No. That'll work out, but do grab it on the other end. Just grab it on the other end. It's a bird dog.
No.
Oh my god.
Aww.
That's dude.
Oh god damn.
That bitch quacked.
Cream on me, baby. Bird dog.
Hey man.
You
get the sucker off of Temu?
Wish.
Oh, wish.com?
Wish.com.
Shit. How much?
Shit, at least $50.
Not bad.
Huh? Start focusing. Do your thing.
Minty Fresh. Minty Fresh. Minty Fresh. Minty Fresh. Oh, yeah, that bulldog. They'll never even know there was a cut. He normal. He just got that bulldog in him. He didn't have bulldogs. Wow, what the time? What the time doing? What the bulldog doing?
Why is this so zoomed out?
Yeah, why are you so fucking loud? See how easy that was?
It's what away. You what away.
It was so easy it fell out.
That's crazy.
Somewhere. Oh, I see. Who would have thought it?
What away? That's what away crazy. What away tries to. Meow. It's on the watch it. That's a. That is crazy. Yeah, it's not something. It's what away.
You just gotta be a little persuasive when you don't have leads. You know, I hope I never have to take this back off. Fuck the next guy. No fucking shit, Sherlock.
It's what away close.
You don't fucking say.
It's what away close.
Yeah, put your hand right there.
Look at that. See?
That's what I do right
Ew, what do we have it quoted? Ew, what we bought it.
Hey, remember when we put the jack under it?
Nickelback.
Hey, Jack, get under it. Good.
What the fuck is that?
Oh my god.
How does that even happen?
I dropped it and it went under.
I got the bike plane.
We know. We grabbed that Toyota show at the back of my car.
Yeah, here's the bike plane.
11:22. That's not bad timing. Focus. Focus. There we go. What's that done? She all bling blinged out, baby. She all bling blinged out.
We're like 20 feet away from Bird Dog.
That's at least 200. Hey, Bo Dog time.
What the hell you doing, Bodog? Get the hell out of the way.
What the fuck? Go!
No, look at that fucking
Saturn, bro.
Saturn wagon.
Oh, yeah.
No, we're in the coil. So we,
Okay, tired of Bo Dogs.
You could do better.
This is the worst thing I've ever tasted. He made more for more Bulldogs. He went back for more Bulldogs. Him literally getting more Bulldogs.
Where we get more double dogs.
More double Bulldogs. I literally think that all you had to do. What the hell are you doing, bro?
I think I know.
Oh, it's my slide pin. You know, when you said caliper bolt, I thought you meant.
Hams really has no.
I'm thinking I'm gonna hit him in the face.
Let's go to Vato Zone.
No, really?
Yeah, I'm gonna go buy one.
Wait, is that?
Are they hitting the trailing arm? No. That's Whittlehoy, a Bueno pad. Here goes, yeah, keep going.
Thank you, everybody.
You're welcome. Whittlehoy bent.
That's crazy.
That's a great shot.
I'd be cooler than a cooler.
No shit. Yeah, think it's a bird.
Dude, you didn't get your fucking inlet port and outlet port on the same side.
They don't need to be.
You get new hose?
See the hose?
Yep.
I got hose. They took my fucking eyes. Ooh, shiny. Yo, chill.
Oh, wait, where's the other radiator? Good job.
Thank you. It was eBay. Guaranteed fit.
What do we?
Yeah, guaranteed fit.
I wish you wouldn't do that. That's my only Milwaukee battery. Don't waste it. Optimum clearance.
Probably need to clean the backside too, don't
No, what Chris is doing over here.
What? U-turn in the mud, so. Two-wheel drive and fucking spin.
That sounds like the opposite of what you would want to
Sounds
do.
like the.
The problem is this thing is currently sloped down. We need the back done to properly. Did that open? I did not. That's bad.
If it was a manual, I probably wouldn't.
An RPM.
You almost done with one side of brakes, bro? It's been like an hour and a half.
The policeman.
Fucking lube tech over here.
Shout out eBay guaranteed fit.
Guaranteed fitment.
Guaranteed fitment.
Guaranteed fitment.
For Chevrolet
Transmission cooler?
RV. Yeah, it's transmission cooler. For fucking RV. Stop, turn it off. Turn it off. It's smoking. So.
Oh yeah.
Well, shit. Talk about last fucking minute. We trying though. Honestly, mechanically, all done. Actually, I gotta cut a bolt, and I'd really like to raise the front, but I don't know if I'm going to. I could just do that right now. Fuck it, honestly. Pulled out the shitty plastic and made that. So, I mean, that'll protect it. So the gate's open in 2 hours, and this is still where I'm at. Gotta put the bumper on. I trim that bolt because it hits going full lock. The motor mount of the Saturn because we stripped it. And then I've got to fix this side skirt or cut it one, probably the latter. And then throw the wheels on. And then I gotta go get gas. And I gotta load it up. I'm going to try to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tires and a vert. We'll see how that goes. So I'm gonna have to eyeball this alignment, which sucks. Not perfect, but much better. I'm actually so pissed off on the ground, it towed in. Fuck me. Literally made it to the gas station before something broke. We literally was just double checking stuff. Hashtag eBay guaranteed fit.
Literally a bird dog.
Literally a bird dog.
Literally a bird dog.
So we're just deleting that coupler and deleting the cold air section of my intake, and it's gonna sit right next to my hot ass radiator. I'm so excited. Actually, I custom mounted.
This is. How are we gonna get this out of here? That's a big filter.
It's a big filter.
That's a little big filter.
Oh, wait, it's hot. That's my skin. I just had to put those fucking tags there, didn't I? Problem is, it hits the bumper.
Just smashed my finger on the bumper. That's too low. What up? You got 4-way? You got 4-way out?
No.
You got 5 out.
Fathead. Ah, it burns so bad.
We only made it to the gas station.
But only made it to the gas station.